If you've been listening to my videos, you've heard me say, lean back, step back, walk away. This is how a high value woman protects herself. You protect yourself through your movement instead of putting up walls. There's no need to put up a wall and shut people out, shut the world out, shut out what hurts, shut out the unknown, shut out what you're afraid of. Nope, that's not what a high value woman does. Instead, she exercises her power core and she creates distance between herself and whatever that trigger is. She leans back. That's the first thing. You're taking a pause, you're giving it space. If that's not enough, the next step in movement is to step back. That means you've engaged more of your body. You're taking more of a protective stance, like, okay, I'm not putting up a wall, I'm not barricading myself. I may take flight. I'm thinking about it, but let me give it a little bit more space so I can get a bigger picture of what's going on here. And then the final step to movement is walking away. Oh, you could picture yourself walking backwards, but I always picture myself on a pivot. Okay. I'm walking away. I've taken perhaps a couple of steps back, and now I'm pivoting towards a different direction. I'm pivoting my focus away from whatever the triggering or offending thing or person is. I'm physically removing myself from the presence of the situation.